Trust. It isn't something that can be bought. It's something you earn over time. During the Second World War, the fate of the Allies hung in the balance. Olympic Tyres and Olex Corporation began cable production in 1940, supporting the armed services with vulcanized rubber and plastic insulated cables. The war was won, history was made, and local manufacturing began to boom. Olex Cables and Olympic Cables each built a new manufacturing plant to keep up with demand for quality Australian-made products. Finally, in 1973, both companies merged and formed Olex Cables.
Olex is our preferred brand and we trust the product and they've been really reliable.
Olex's quality of product's always been top-notch.
Using Olex cable, we got that peace of mind that it's always going to meet Australian standards. It's always going to be of a premium quality.
All my time in the industry, Olex cable is the only cable we have ever used.
We predominantly use Olex cable. The boys find it very easy to use. I think they support the product as much as we do because it is Australian made.
Olex cables, they're made locally just up the road in Lilydale, so you know, it's a product you can trust.
We get the cables sent in pallets for your smaller cables, 1 mil to 2.5. Your larger ones come on 500 metre drums, easy to handle, straight onto our racking.
Reliability, people just know that they'll grab it off the shelf and there's not a worry.
So we are always quoting against some, importers at a lower cost, and we hear of jobs going wrong quite regularly from that sort of supplier. There could be a matter of life and death to some people and a very expensive replacement in others. Having that assurance that Olex has made the cable, just peace of mind and reduces the risk.
Even stuff that we need to be made for certain projects, Olex, we can go to them and they can manufacture certain things if we don't have it on stock. I don't think I've gone to them and they've turned me down and said we can't do that. With Olex, we've got our own internal phone number. It's a 1300 number that we call Olex. Olex set up for Lawrence and Hanson.
Oh, it helps us immensely. We can get the answer for our customer straight away and most probably get the order straight away.
1 in 3 would be a live order where they need cable within a couple hours to site. By having a quick quote back, that allows for that to happen.
We are switched over now to Olex Online for order confirmations, quotations and placing orders. If we need to know something real quick, we just jump online. 2 seconds later, we've got the answer, done. Very easy to use.
Great delivery, good service, good quotes. They've always been the benchmark in the industry as far as quality goes, so if you're quoting Olex, you know you're not going to get questioned about that.
My name's Andrew and I trust Olex.
I'm Vicky and I trust Auslec.
I really do trust Olex.
I trust Olex.
I really do trust Olex.
I trust Olex, totally.
I do put my trust in Olex.
We trust Olex.